folks, this is Geraldton. It's April 16th and it looks like we're getting a bit of a blizzard here, but it seems it's going to last a long time yet. This is a little bit before and after. Sure hope it stops soon. I want to use the snow blower and shovel this. I want to use the snow blower. However, as you will see in a moment, I couldn't get the snow blower out, so I had to shovel it by hand. It took me about an hour. Well, that's it. Hope you have a good day and hope you're getting better weather than we have. Okay, signing off.